Hello, Firebirds. I'm PK Hoppy. I'm here with
Dan Finkhauser,
bringing you today GP News from the library. Today is November 12th, 2019. Weather for today is sunny. Current temperature is 61 degrees with a high of 79 degrees.
Today for lunch we're having teriyaki chicken with Asian noodles with a side of California mixed vegetables with assorted fruit.
In other GP news, tomorrow is PTO restaurant night at Buffalo Wild Wings. Join us anytime tomorrow at Buffalo Wild Wings for a day-long fundraiser. Dine in or carry out anytime tomorrow. Let them know you're with Gavilan Peak, and a portion of the proceeds will be donated to the Gavilan Peak PTO. We'll see you there tomorrow. Book fair is over. Thanks everyone for showing your support. Library classes will resume today as scheduled. Are you ready for our play at Gavilan Peak? On November 15th, come to see the performance of Dystopia, the Hungry Maze game of Divergent Death for only $5. It's going to be a blast.
The canned food drive is still here. It'll be from today to the 14th. It will still be here at Gavilan Peak for the food bank at St. Rose. It will help families going through hard times and will be able to help provide food through the holidays. Please bring in non-perishable items between now and the 14th. Try to bring in substantial items like peanut butter, pasta sauce, tuna, canned vegetables, and fruit, not tons of ramen noodles. The winning homerooms in each grade, K through 2nd, 3rd through 5th, and 6th through 8th will win a treat. Please support our local community. Here's the joke of the day. Why did the chicken cross the basketball court? Because it heard a referee was calling fouls. That's all we have for announcements today.
Have a terrific Tuesday.
This is Dan Finkhauser
and PK Hoppy
signing off for GP News.